We take care of our customers as a family. I'm a big ethics guy. Being an ex-Air Force, I just love coaching my team, and they have fun together. We always promote within. Hopefully one of them will replace me one day.
I've been with Axalta for about 2.5 years now. I love it. It's a great company to work for.
We're good partners with Axalta, PPG.
I would definitely say that my favorite part of what I do is find solutions for customers. Our industry is so changed. I've been in the industry for almost 10 years now, and I can tell you it's a complete shift. Point that we're at right now, what people and businesses need is solutions.
I've been with 3M for 13 years. At the Northeast Trade Show, we get good foot traffic through here. We get most of our questions at trade shows on product, usually centered around these. Everywhere from seam sealers to rocker guard to cavity wax.
I love the people I work with. I love coming to these shows. I love showing off our product, talking about it.
And my favorite part of coming to the show is getting to see all the new exhibitors. I got a lot of friends and people that come by and say, hi, how you doing? And we get to talk a lot about old times and how the industry's changed.
I would say the favorite part of what I do is interacting with all the customers. So I enjoy seeing these builds such as this one we have here in our booth today. It's a fun company.
You know, I've been waiting for parts on Henry Rich's car. Yep. The parts are in. And so your parts manager can just move that right over here into body. Body technicians see it's ready to go.
Hi, I'm Wanda, and I'd like to welcome you to the Northeast Regional Trade Show. We're standing in the Exxon Bell booth, meeting people, spreading brand awareness. Red, that's the color of the brand.
I've been with Sherwin-Williams for 21 years. Had a lot of the key culture aspects that I was looking for. So from there, got into the business and haven't looked back.
We have a great team here, and we're happy to be at Northeast exhibiting.
I guess the favorite part of my job is I'm in different shops every day, get to talk to different people, we're training different guys. Every day it's a different job. 91 Softail, it was fabricated at a metal shop, Blairstown, New Jersey. My brother is the owner of the shop.
Okay, they were waiting for parts. Now it's in, but they don't want to assign it to the body technician just yet. You know, they might add another column there.